desperately, my lens is dirty, but there's a dragonfly in my car. I desperately need to learn to drive with my windows shut, because every time I think it's a good idea, a bug gets into my car. It's a dragon. As soon as I can show you, I'll show you. I'm almost home. But he's huge! Just in case I crash, this is for my insurance company. Oh my god, he's so big! Can you hear him? He's so big. Oh my gosh. You see him? I can't get him out. Well, now it's your car. Come on. Are you serious? Oh, buddy. Come on. Move your... Oh, come... Move. I'm trying to help you. Oh, he's out. We're gonna go on a quick shipped order together. Honestly, this week has been really slow with deliveries. Sometimes, see, that's a gamble with doing deliveries full time, at least in my opinion, and where I work in particular. If I worked in the city, in Boston on a more regular basis, I wouldn't run into this problem. But living in a more, I'm gonna regret saying this in like a year, because where I work is now starting to become a city. Actually, I think population wise, we just passed being considered now a city. So it's definitely going to get bigger. They have a lot of construction going on, a lot more restaurants coming in, more people means more orders. I'm hoping it'll pick up. I told you guys briefly, I had a couple job interviews lined up as of filming this video. I don't have an interview scheduled yet, but I am in the talks between 2 different jobs. Excuse me. So right now I'm still doing it full time, which is fine. I'm still bringing in money and everything. Again, this week in particular was just like Monday and Tuesday. I barely got anything. Today happens to be a Friday. So I did 3 orders this morning. What is going on? I did 3 orders so far this morning. I more so just rely on tips kind of coming in like a couple days after the fact. So I don't kick myself too much if I feel like it's not enough, because it can always go up by a few dollars, if anything. So I figured I'd bring you guys for one more order. I feel like though, I changed my outfit. I had a different shirt on. I feel like though, now I put on socks as well. I feel like I look like Britney Spears. Oops, I did it again. Oh, God. Oh, come on. Do you not see it? I see it. Also, I grabbed another, what is this? The brown sugar, the caramel cold foam brown sugar coffee. It's not going to be an everyday thing. It hasn't been an everyday thing. It's kind of been a once in a while thing. Honestly, this is a medium, and this is all I really wanted out of it today. So I'll see if they offer it. It's like a limited edition thing, I think, or new. Hopefully they keep it on the menu. If not, hopefully I can order it in the future, but definitely would get a small first of all, and then it's more like a treat. I just can't, I'm not in a daily coffee person. So anyway, let's go get this order done. And Target was so busy today that I was so insecure about filming in public, so I didn't. But I did a small shift order, and now I'm home putting away groceries and picking up. And tonight is just the kids and I tonight, and we gonna go out grocery shopping, and I'm just gonna spend the day kind of cleaning the house. So I might do a time lapse of me cleaning up. Here's the thing, okay? Let's be real for a second. I made breakfast this morning. I don't know why that's open. I made breakfast this morning. I just made mac and cheese. Why my camera is out, I don't know. Like, I have stuff over here. I have stuff over here. Just the past couple of days have been so hectic. I really haven't focused on, like, the other thing is with cleaning, I get really overwhelmed really quickly. For the most part, I mean, I keep it livable and stuff, but I am certainly not a neat freak by any means, but I also don't live in filth. But it can just get overwhelming sometimes to the point of where I'm like, okay, there's a lot, so I'm not gonna do any of it. But no, I'm just starting. I think what I'm gonna do, and this will be later tonight, but is just like start at each section and like do that counter, then that part of the counter, then that counter, then the table behind me, then this table, then that table. Oh, what's up? So I think that's what I'm gonna do today. Also, my Venus flytraps, or Ella's Venus flytrap. It looks so sad. If you have any if you have any ideas of what to do for the trap. So there has been, oh my gosh, there's one right there. Ah crap, it just flew away. I'm trying to catch this fly trap some food. I was already able to kill 2 flies, and I know like fly traps don't need to be fed or anything, but a little motivation never hurt anybody. 2 of them currently have flies in them. I believe it's this guy over here, and one of these has it. So 2 of them have it. I saw a third. I'm trying to get, like, this one has its thing open and this one is open. So I'm trying to at least get another one in there, but it looks a little sad. It stays watered. I have been taking care of it. It likes bright light, but not like too much light. So I'm gonna scooch it maybe a little closer. Oh no. I just thought of a DIY project that's gonna cost me money. I really now want to get a shelf on this wall. Currently my son's like little kitchen set is right here, but that can easily be rehomed because it wasn't really anything, like it was kind of a weird space to fill, so I didn't know what to do with it. But if I get like a nice shelf, but I feel like if I put it, yeah, they're gonna fall over. Yeah, maybe in the next couple of vlogs or something, I'll put together a shelving unit. Actually, I think I actually have some wood downstairs. I have tons and tons and tons of scrap wood in my basement, and I have a couple 2x4s. I mean, ideally I'd want something a little wider, but I'm trying to do it as cost efficient as possible. Okay, so there's 2 options for 2x4s. I'm gonna set you over here. My washer is going though, so excuse the noise. Again, I have this one, which doesn't have as many nails in it as the other one, and it would be long enough. If anything, I would have to cut it down. Let's take this inside and see. Nope. Scratch all of that. Scratch it all. I just went on Pinterest and I saw this idea. Love it. Love it. Mwah. I love it. We can do that. Yeah, we have the tools to make the drill holes. It looks like we just needed some eyelets to hold it up there. Obviously planks, but we need thinner ones. We're not going to use 2x4s. So we're going to need like 4 to 5 planks, which for this window, it's more wide than it is long. So we'd probably do like 1, 2, 3, probably 4 max. And then some rope. I can't do it today. I want to so bad. I can't do it today. And then some paint, of course. Unless, I kind of like the woody grain though. I'm probably going to keep it natural. If I can find like, no, but like a nice dark or something to match a wood to like match this end table that I have over there would be really nice. I'm going to take a picture of that end table before I go to Home Depot. I'm not going to be able to go today. I got to go grocery shopping today. Plus with the kids in their car seats in the car, I'm not going to be able to fit the wood anyway. So this will be probably a Sunday night project. I'm going to put this on my calendar because I'm going to forget. Home Depot for the planter. Because tomorrow I'm taking the kids out to an amusement park. So I won't have time tomorrow, but when they leave for their dads on Sunday, they'll give me plenty of opportunity. My car will be open. I'll have the space for the wood. Can grab some rope, and then hopefully we can start this project Sunday and have something hung up by Monday or Tuesday. I definitely don't have enough plants to like fill the shelf or whatever, but I have my 3 starters over there. And then I don't know. Honestly, I don't think you can start any real seedlings this late in the game. I might see if there's any seedlings you can start this time of the year. If not, what I'll just do is go grab some pots and stuff, be on the lookout for some pots. So next spring, I can start some seedlings there, or even just pick up a couple succulents or house plants that need really minimal lighting. Like peace lilies are really beautiful. I might buy another one of those because I overwatered it and killed it. But peace lilies are really great. Just any like low maintenance house plant, but enough that they can get a little bit of sunlight. Plus, it gives me a little more privacy screening because my neighbor's house is like right next door. So give us a little more privacy. I think it'll look really nice, and I think it'll be a good use for this space. I've always put my plants over here by this window. I've just never really had a great place to do it. So I just picked up Hunter, got him situated for a minute. I'm about to start dinner. Well, actually, I think we're gonna do leftovers tonight, only because Ella's coming home from camp in about an hour, but I'm not sure if she's gonna be in the mood to eat. I don't know what she's eating today. I don't know if she's gonna need dinner. Yesterday, Hunter and I actually went out to the mall, and at the food court, we grabbed some Spanish food. So I think I'm just gonna reheat this for him. He really didn't eat much of it. He had a bellyache. So I'm gonna just heat that up for him. And then I think I'm just gonna finish my night doing what I said earlier, just kind of time lapse me picking up a little bit. I feel a little overwhelmed, and when I'm feeling that way, I can't focus on too much at once. I have to like make my tasks smaller so they don't feel as overwhelming. So I'm just gonna like break down each section and clean and just relax. There's no rush to get anything done. I'm hoping to mop, get some laundry away, finish the dishes, but we'll see how much. I'm not gonna overwork myself. That's my main goal, and just be happy with what I do get accomplished tonight. I already feel a lot better. It looks a lot better. It's still not perfect. But at this point, the kids are going to sleep. Well, Hunter in about an hour, Ella in about 2. So I gotta run out to Target because I don't have water and like stuff I probably shouldn't wait to get. So we're gonna run out even though I really don't want to. I didn't want today to end at a weird point even though 99% of my vlogs do. We made it back to the store. I forgot my phone at home though, so I didn't even get to film anything, which is fine. Cleaners, I grabbed 2 of these Everspring all-purpose cleaners. Just some baby soap. I got water and some deli meat. Oh, and I also got some slippers. I mopped and everything. I came home and I didn't record like me continuing to clean or anything. I also have got a little candle that I'm just now burning. The kids are going to sleep. But guys, real quick, the movie It, okay, spoiler alert. If you've never seen the movie, please skip ahead because I don't want to ruin it for you. I'll give you a second. Skip ahead like 2 minutes. Are you gone? I don't want to ruin it. I warned you. Okay. Okay. How am I going to ruin a movie that's been out for like 20 years? Because I just started watching it for the first time yesterday. I've never seen the original. That's a lie. The original It was the first scary movie that I ever saw my parents watching. And I didn't even like watch it. I was probably about Ella's age and I remember seeing like the clown in the sheets. I don't even really know how to explain the scene because I don't remember what happens. I just remember the clown like showing up in like bed sheets hanging up outside. So I've never seen It besides that. And last night I started watching the newer one, which actually I've been suggested to watch the original because I guess it's creepier. Let me know if you've seen both. I have not seen the entirety of the original, but I was shocked within like the first 30 seconds of the movie because I always knew about Pennywise and what he looked like. I never understood why he was so scary though, and I would see like special effects makeup artists on YouTube or TikTok or whatever do Pennywise makeup looks with like all the teeth. So I'm like, okay, like he's got teeth at some point, but like I didn't really understand the whole idea of Pennywise and like what he does. And so so this whole time, you know, the only thing that I know about Pennywise is that he's a creepy clown and that there's a boy named Georgie involved, okay? I thought Georgie was like the main freaking character of this story. I didn't know Georgie died within like 45 seconds. I really didn't know. I'm 29 years old. I didn't know. And I'm shocked. Truly, I'm shocked. I was just telling somebody this yesterday. I am shocked that that was never spoiled for me. Oh. It's like a mosquito. That was never spoiled for me. I never knew Georgie died. I thought he was like the main boy in the movie, but I guess like it's his older brother. I don't know. I fell asleep right after Georgie died. I was so tired. I was like, relaxing. But no, I'm about to go finish the movie, and tomorrow we're going out to an amusement park. So if I remember, which I will try my damnedest to let you guys know how I feel about the rest of the movie tomorrow or in the next vlog, wherever we're at. But yeah, I was a little shocked. Wow. I'm gonna go keep watching it.